could just not believe how strange Wonder Woman was in my dream. I am not going to be bored ever again. I'll try not to. So, I'm gonna go inside. Here's my ring. Huh? Hey, what's this? It's a looking glass. I'm gonna go inside. Whoa, where am I going? Whoa, I'm on the other side of the looking glass. Everything's all topsy-turvy on the other side of the looking glass. Oh man, I've never seen the looking glass before. But everything's just topsy-turvy. Oh, there's some stairs. I'm not walking down the stairs. I'm floating down the stairs. Whoa! Whoa! Where am I going? Whoa! Look at this place! Where am I? This place is as strange as Wonderland is. Oh, hello, Alice. You're the queen from my checkerboard. And I'm your king from the checkerboard. I must be in my checkerboard game. And everything else. And the whole room is so big, I cannot believe it. Do you want to play with us? No thanks. I just want to find a way to get out of this looking glass. I wanted to go see what was in it because I've never seen the looking glass before. I've seen a great place called Wonderland before. It's a strange place, and this place is kind of strange too. Strange? No, this place is fun. I mean, the whole place. Everything's all topsy-turvy. Oh, topsy-turvy? No, really. I'm sorry, I'm confused, King and Queen, Your Majesties. Well, in the looking glass, everything can be topsy-turvy. On the other side. Yes. It doesn't look topsy-turvy to you in the checkerboard, right?